Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to recreate this eye look by Gigi Hadid. I saw this on her Instagram account and I just thought it was really pretty, so we are going to try to do this today. In the essence of time, and just so we can get down to the good stuff, I already have done my face makeup and my eyebrows. I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to give myself a nice clean palette to work with, and I'm going to take this ShadowSense color in Candlelight, which you've seen me use before. I'm just gonna put it all over my lids so that I have a nice clean surface to work with. My eyelids, like, I don't know, they're a little bit discolored. They have a little bit of veininess to them. So this just evens that out and gives me some nice clean slate to work with. Right. So if I look at this eye look, and I'm looking at it over here on my iPad, it looks really just like she's got like a nice dark terracotta-like pinky orangey color on this half of her eye, and then just like a ton of shimmer over here. So I know for the shimmer I'm definitely going to be using our lime shimmer ShadowSense, just because it's like the exact color. But I think for over here I'm going to start off using pink Posey and just see how that goes and see if I like the way it comes out. We might mix other colors with it, but right now I'm going to try pink Posey. This is just like a muted, like dusty rose color, which kind of looks like the picture. So let's just see how it goes. And I'm not going to put it all the way in here because I'm going to cover that up with a lot of shimmer anyway. So I'm going to put it, you know, maybe 3/4 of the way in, but not all the way, because really this color is kind of focused on the outside and it might not be orangey enough now that I'm doing this. So we might want to add in, this is Rosa, which is more of like a corally color. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that in here and then keep going. I'm really excited to try this lime shimmer again. All right. Just looks deeper on her, so I'm trying to think what I can do to make it a little bit deeper. Just looking at all the colors I have. I don't want to use an orange. What I could do is we have a blush color called Terracotta, which might actually be pretty accurate. So let's see. If I take some of this, this is what it looks like. I think that might be a really good color. So let's just try to pat this on and see. I think that's definitely closer. So, all right, we're gonna go with this. All right, I'll diffuse that out in a second, but for the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this eye. Starting with pink Posey, I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the Rosa, and then I'll put the terracotta blush right on top. Okay, so I have all of the terracotta pinky colors on, and here's a picture of the look again for reference. So I think now I'm going to take a clean brush. Maybe we'll use this one right here. This is just a deluxe crease brush. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to kind of buff out the edges just so they're not so harsh, because on me they're a little bit harsher, and the look, they're definitely more diffused. So I'm just taking this and diffusing out the edges, and we can always clean this part up later. Okay, so now we have the pink terracotta color. It definitely is still darker in the middle, so I'm thinking maybe we put more of this pink Posey right in the middle and just kind of pat it on to keep that darkness. That's good. So now I'm debating what I want to do in the inner corners because I want to make sure that that lime shimmer really stands out. So I'm thinking I might want to put down a little bit of snow first beforehand, just so it has like a white base to kind of stick to. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to just dot it on. Trust the process. And I'm going to just pat it on the area that I'm gonna put the lime shimmer. And her look, it really it doesn't go underneath. I mean, I can't really tell that well here, but I'm gonna make sure that I don't put anything on my lower lash line. I wanna keep this up here. This white is just going to give the lime shimmer like a nice base to stick to so it stands out a little bit more. So all right, let's try it out and see how it goes. Let's do the other eye and see how it looks. So hers is a lot more glittery than mine. I'm trying to decide what else I can add to it just to make it a little bit more pop. Added mascara. I'm liking how this is looking. The next thing is like her skin really doesn't have anything on it otherwise, like no color. I don't see any shimmer highlight on her cheeks really, but she does have on some matte lipstick. So I'm going to put on this color called Nude Pink. It's a super nude pink color and I think it will match the nude that Gigi is wearing pretty well. So I just put on Nude Pink with matte gloss, and she has very matte lips. They're not shiny at all. I think I don't really have her wavy hair, or her color hair for that matter, but I think it's pretty good.